Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. And let me give you the overall sizes measurements first. For the unit's entire length will be 60.5 inches long. And the depth of the unit is about like a 33 inches deep. Include the wheels on top of the corners is about like a 44 inches tall. And for this cutting board, it's about like a 14.5 inches deep. So as we can see the units, they have a single lid on top of it. We can simply open it. They come with a container inside. And also at the front, they have two big swing doors, handles here. You can pull up it. Now let me give you the overall size for the inner side. For the inner side depth, about like a 19 inches. For the width of the unit, it's about like a 56 inches. And for the clearance height, it's about like a 23.5 inches tall. So they come in with two adjustable shelvings on the both sides. And also on the back of the units, we're having the sanitation stickers on it with the ETLs, and also have the controllers at the bottoms and the compressor mount at the bottoms too. And right now we can take a look closer to see the container space. For the inner side of the container space, they come with 16 of the single tray. And for each of the tray sizes, they are about like a 6.5 inches wide, 7 inches long, and 6 inches deep. Also for all the trays, we have the NSF stickers, they mark on the bottom. And the space of the overall, it's about like a 56 inches wide. And 30.5 inches deep. This will be the all demonstration information about the 60 inches prep tables. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.